Hi, this is Scott Nido of Fairway Exteriors. We do a ton of replacement windows in Prairie Village. And what we find is it's kind of two camps where if you bought the house recently or you did some windows a couple years ago from another contractor, not that happy, a lot of times we're going to place just 7 or 8 windows in at home to make sure they're all done. A lot of times homeowners are looking at vinyl replacement just to match what they have. And we offer an awesome high quality vinyl window that's going to get you a really good 20, 25 year solution. Other homeowners, we're doing the entire home with windows. Most of the time we're looking at fiberglass. And so at that point, it comes down to, are we gonna do fiberglass interior and exterior? But a lot of homeowners in Prairie Village have grids they can touch and feel. Tons of charm, tons of character. And then we're going back with the Marvin Elevate with STL grids you can touch and feel. That's probably the most popular window that we do in Prairie Village, is based on so many homeowners wanting the grids they can touch and feel. And we offer that solution every day.